Do you think your Zoom's password is due for a refresh? Here's how to change it in just a few clicks. Fast, secure, and simple. Head to zoom.us in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in, click on Profile in the left-handed sidebar. Now scroll down until you see your sign-in options. Next to password, click Edit. Since I used the Google account to sign in, I don't need a password to sign in. But for you, enter your current password, then type a new one twice to confirm. Use a strong password, at least 8 characters, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Save and your Zoom account is now more secure. Don't forget to update it in your saved logins. Like this video if it helped you reset your password. Subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.